Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards, pwwcards.com. We're getting ready to do another full case break of 2018 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. This is Tier 1 Baseball eBay break number 2. It is Saturday, May the 26th, and we're all ready to go. Everyone's paid for their teams, and we are good to go. Here is our case. Thanks to everybody for getting in the break. As always, if you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or any one-touches, you can get those at our website, pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. You can get that there, and then we match up the PayPal names for what you want. But you can send us a message if you once you buy those, let us know what card you want in, like a one-touch or whatever. But and they're falling out all crazy like. All right, perfect. All right, I think these are. Put that down a little bit. Who knows what order these are in? All right, there's our case. Move that down a little more. We'll go ahead and just get all the packs out just to speed things up. We do have another case of Tier 1 that I'll be breaking tomorrow. So that's already in our eBay store. You can check that out. And then we'll have more Topps Tier 1 next weekend as well. So if you just follow us on eBay, it's either in the store, all of our breaks, and obviously as more product are released, we'll be doing more 2018 baseball. Nice to get something nice and fat packed tonight. I know Rob broke last night, and we had that nice booklet. Maybe getting this bat knob or bat barrel. It'll be fun. Last two boxes here. Ooh, that one's thick. We'll stick that on the bottom for last. A little thicky. That one's a little thick. Oh, that just feels like an extra card. Anyway, okay, here we go. Good luck to everybody. Let's get this break rolling. All right, Tier 1 Talent Autograph, Craig Kimbrell. There's that. Then right behind that for the Reds, numbered 152 to 285, it is Adam Duvall. And that is going out to Cincinnati. Dustin L. Congratulations, Dustin. Then we have a Jorge Springer 333 to 335 game used memorabilia going out to Houston. Houston is Josh E. Congrats. Next pack. Some thickies. Oh, there we go. Harrison Bader on-card auto numbered 49 out of 275. Going out to the Cards. St. Louis is Josh E. Then for the Sox, 71 out of 100. Lucas Giolito. Going out to the Chi Sox and Robert S. For the Nationals, it's an Anthony Rendon, 161 out of 335 on that one. Single color jersey relic going out to Washington and Ryan O. They finish off this box with a Kyle Seager, 2 out of 25. Nice two-color patch there at the bottom on the dual relic. 2 out of 25 going out to Seattle and Dustin L. Congrats. All right, first up, rookie auto, tier 1 talent, rookie auto, 30 out of 295, Ozzie Albies for the Atlanta Braves. Atlanta is golf cart. Right behind that, how about a Drew Palmer, how do you say that? Pomeranz, tier 1 talent, 212 out of 275. Going out to the Bo Sox and Josh E. For the Dodgers, it's a Kenley Jansen, 242 out of 335, single color relic. Going out to the Dodgers and Josh E. Next pack. There's a Victor Robles rookie auto, 143 out of 250 for Washington. Nationals, Ryan O. Then for Baltimore, 172 out of 275, Chance Sisco on-card auto. Very nice. Going out to Baltimore and Josh E. Congratulations, Josh. They finish off this pack with another Oriole hit, 287 out of 335. Jonathan Shoup. Again, Josh E. with the Orioles. Next pack. There's a Paul DeJong, 166 out of 295. Help me out, camera. There we go. Going out to St. Louis and Josh E. Then we have a Jake Lamb, 68 out of 145. Going out to the D-backs. Arizona is Robert S. Finally, we have a Rafael Devers for the Bo Sox, 379 out of 400 on that game-used memorabilia. Going out to Boston, Josh E. Next pack. Ooh, look at that. Little bronze marker action. Tier 1 talent, 5 out of 25. Whoa. 5 out of 25 on that one. Edwin Encarnacion for the Cleveland Indians. Cleveland is Robert S. Next up, we have a Keon Broxton for the Brew Crew. 86 out of 275. 86 out of 275. Yeah, I was going to say, I think it's Milwaukee. Then for San Diego, it is a Will Myers game-used memorabilia, 241 out of 235. Or 335, my bad. 241 out of 335. San Diego, Josh E. All right. First one up. Thicky. Oh, I think it's just... All right, first up, Yoenis Cespedes with the 7 out of 80 for the Mets on-card auto. 7 out of 80. New York Mets, Norman T. Congratulations, Norman, on that hit. Next up for Chicago White Sox, Lucas Giolito, 8 out of 245. Going out to Chicago and Robert S. Next up, it is a Corey Seager, 308 out of 335 on that game used memorabilia, 308 out of 335. Going again to the Dodgers, Josh E. Next up, look at this. Numbered 158 out of 175 Legends, Nolan Ryan. A little bit of a two-color. Got a little bit of a red seeping in there at the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. But that is going out to Houston. Houston is Josh E. Next pack. I think this might have a redemption. How thin it is, maybe not. Jorge Springer, 55 out of 145 for Houston. Josh E. Coming to you. For the Rays, Jacob Faria, 153 out of 275. Going out to Tampa Bay and Scott C. Then we have a game used memorabilia for Aaron Nola for the Phillies, 188 out of 335. Aaron Nola in the Phillies. Philadelphia is, well, Josh E. Man, I have Josh. It's a lot of teams. All right. Next pack. Oh, look at that. Numbered 5 out of 10 for the Rangers. There's a Nolan Ryan silver marker auto. 5 out of 10. Nolan Ryan for the Rangers. There we go. Congratulations to Texas and Josh E. Next up for Colorado, it is a rookie auto, Ryan McMahon. 257 out of 275. Ryan McMahon of Colorado. That's going out to Brian P. Congratulations, Brian. Then we have for the D-backs, Zach Greinke, 210 out of 335. Game used memorabilia, single color swatch. Congratulations, Arizona. That's going to be Robert S. All right, next pack. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Clint Frazier, rookie auto with the pinstripe swatch, 57 out of 80. There you go. Clint Frazier, 57 out of 80. Going out to the Yankees. Edward A. There you go, Edward. Nice hit for you there. Next up for the Indians, it's a Bradley Zimmer, 149 out of 225. Bradley Zimmer going out to Cleveland and Robert S. For the Astros, Lance McCullers, 74 out of 335. Single color game worn jersey relic there. Another hit for Houston, Josh. Congrats. All right, 2 packs still to go. I'll make this pack 11. For the Cubbies, there's Ian Happ, 160 out of 270. Ian Happ for the Cubs. That would be Chris H. Congratulations, Chris. Look at this, very nice. Dylan Betances, 19 out of 20. Man, can I read? 19 out of 25. Dylan Betances. Congratulations to the Yankees. And Edward A. Congratulations, Edward. For the Mets, Dominic Smith, rookie game used memorabilia, 140 out of 335. Again, going out to the Mets, New York Mets, is Norman T. Last pack. Hopefully hoping for something big, although maybe it's just 4 cards in there. I don't know. Well, it's a thickie, so we'll see. We'll see what's in that last one. Hopefully something cool. First up for the Red Sox, 80 out of 90, Nomar Garciaparra. Autograph issue. Nice on-card auto of Nomar. Going out to Boston. Josh E. Coming to you. Then for Boston as well, Drew Pomeranz. That's a 12 out of 270. 12 out of 270 on that one. Going out to Boston as well, Josh. There you go. For the Cubs, it is a Chris Bryant. Oh, my goodness. Next card is disgusting. All right. Chris Bryant, numbered to 400 on that one. And that goes out to Chris H. And last but not least, look at this. Kaboom! 1 of 1 bat knob. Chris Bryant. Big old bat knob. Congratulations to the Cubs. Chris Bryant bat knob. That's awesome. Congratulations to the Cubs and Chris H. There you go, Chris. That is coming to you. Pretty sick. So that is the break, guys. Thanks to everybody for getting in the break. We'll get these sorted and shipped out. Like I said, we got Tier 1 coming up again tomorrow, so be sure to jump in that break. Appreciate you breaking with us. Everyone have a good night. Peace.